Haji and I think Hajati. Yeah, I remember that case. I came and gave you feedback. You will recall that Hajati was complaining that her daughter was defiled, and her complaint was that no action was being taken, or that she was not satisfied with the nature of action which was being taken by the law and order sector, police, and other agencies. Now, when I contacted our police circles, I got a briefing that her matter was looked into. And this is what happened. Police follows certain scientific procedures. And you also need to realize that investigative processes are very particular. In respect to this matter, there was an allegation that a child had been defiled. A statement was taken from the child. The child alleged that, yes, she had carnal knowledge with a particular individual. It could have been anybody else, but in this particular situation, she zeroed on Haji. So what police did, it got her statement, and it also took her for a medical examination. The medical examination results came out positive, reflecting that the child had carnal knowledge. Now, the details as to whether the child told the truth or not are purely issues that shall be solved in courts of law. When you wake up on a good day and you say that I had carnal knowledge with so and so and I'm a juvenile, then we must pick interest in the person you have accused. And that is precisely what police did. And police took the file, because we are not usually the final determinants as to whether you will end up in court or not. The moment we take a file and present it for legal perusal and legal advice in the office of the DPP, should they find that our investigations hold water, then they will indict you. And precisely that is how Haji ended up being indicted. Now, here comes bloggers. Bloggers and their narratives. For me, my appeal to bloggers is that get out of your comfort zone, take this information to the relevant authorities so that it is used as evidence. The moment you keep out there and you continue debating, a debate cannot be helpful in an investigation. Get that very good information you have. Like, for instance, the claim that the girl was coerced. If it is true, that is very good information that can be shared with the people who are handling this matter, as opposed to simply keeping it within the spheres of blogging. So, if there is anybody who has substantive information, contrary to what Hajati and the daughter gave us, it is the appeal of police to share that information, come with evidence. That information shall be utilized. I guess I've answered you, Jude. Then
Runesa Properties yeffe bakabaka mu kutunda amataka g'ebyapa n'ebibanja era nga tukuleetedde estates ne ploti ez'enjawulo okwetola eggwanga lyonna ku ssente ez'owansi okutandikira kakadde kamu n'ekitundu okugeza Nakifuma Kateete 25 ku 5 ku miliyoni 1 n'ekitundu 5 ku 10 ku miliyoni 6 Namalirika Kuukulu 5 ku 10 miliyoni 6 25 ku 5 ku miliyoni 1 n'ekitundu tulina ploti ebugema okuliraana emabega wa University 5 ku 10 ku miliyoni 12 zokka n'5 ku 5 ku miliyoni 6 zokka. Runesa Properties, let's guide you home.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. Ze ajimiti omusomi w'ekitabo era omusomi w'edduwa. Nkozesa kyoto kino, ekyoto kino kiba kitagombolola. Lwalero ku kyoto kuno kunyambira abantu bange. Buli muntu yenna alina ekizibu kye ojja ku kyoto kino n'osula akabani n'enkusabira. Buli alina ekizibu naddala mu abali e Bulaaya n'ompereza amanya. Nenga sula mu kyoto kino n'enkusembera edduwa n'enkujjako ebizibu n'ebiba bikusumbuye. Amabanja ge bakubanjiza gonna. Gwe yalema okufuna okuweebwa Hajimiti ng'ompereza ebiwandiiko byonna bye bompereza ng'oli e Bulaaya mbikwata nembizinga ne mwandika kapapula nembisula mu nnyanja nensaba Allah gwensinza asumulule ebyo bye babikulemeredde awa visa agifuna alemedde ofuna omusajja omulungi amufuna sange ba ku namba 0752 87 15 15.